Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing well. In today's video we will discuss mesothelioma lawsuit lawyers. If you are new to my channel, and you don't subscribe to my channel, so please subscribe to my channel before watching the video. Let's start our video. Mesothelioma lawsuit attorneys play a pivotal role in seeking justice and compensation for individuals who have been diagnosed with mesothelioma, a rare and aggressive form of cancer, caused primarily by exposure to asbestos. These legal professionals possess specialized knowledge and expertise in navigating the complex legal landscape surrounding mesothelioma cases, offering much-needed support to victims and their families during a challenging time. The devastating consequences of mesothelioma are widely acknowledged, and its link to asbestos exposure has led to a surge in legal actions seeking accountability from the companies responsible for the exposure. Mesothelioma lawsuit attorneys are at the forefront of this fight, tirelessly working to secure financial compensation that can help cover medical expenses, lost wages, pain and suffering, and other related costs. These attorneys start by conducting thorough investigations to establish a clear link between the victims' asbestos exposure and their subsequent diagnosis of mesothelioma. This process can involve identifying the sources of asbestos exposure, such as workplaces, products, or environments where the victim came into contact with asbestos fibers. Building a strong case requires not only legal acumen but also a deep understanding of medical and scientific evidence to establish the causal connection between asbestos exposure and the disease. Once a solid foundation is established, mesothelioma lawsuit attorneys then proceed to file legal claims on behalf of their clients. These claims can take various forms, including personal injury lawsuits, wrongful death claims, and product liability cases against manufacturers of asbestos-containing products. Attorneys work closely with their clients to gather necessary documentation, such as medical records, employment history, and other relevant evidence that supports their claims. As the legal process advances, mesothelioma lawsuit attorneys often engage in negotiations with defendants and their legal representatives to reach settlements. Settlements can provide timely compensation to victims without the need for a lengthy trial. However, if a fair settlement cannot be reached, these dedicated attorneys are fully prepared to take the case to court, advocating for their clients' rights before judges and juries. This requires a deep understanding of the legal intricacies involved in asbestos litigation and the ability to present complex evidence in a clear and compelling manner. Beyond their legal prowess, mesothelioma lawsuit attorneys also demonstrate empathy and compassion for their clients. They understand the emotional toll that mesothelioma can take on individuals and their families, and they provide a supportive and understanding environment throughout the legal process. These attorneys often collaborate with medical experts and support groups to ensure that their clients receive not only legal representation but also access to medical resources and emotional support. In recent years, mesothelioma lawsuit attorneys have been instrumental in pushing for increased awareness about asbestos-related diseases and advocating for stricter regulations to prevent further exposure. Their efforts contribute to holding accountable the companies that prioritized profits over the health and safety of their employees and consumers. In conclusion, mesothelioma lawsuit attorneys serve as beacons of hope for those affected by this aggressive and preventable disease. Their expertise, dedication, and compassion are essential in guiding victims and their families through the legal process and seeking the compensation they deserve. By bridging the gap between law and medicine, these attorneys not only fight for justice on an individual level but also contribute to the broader efforts to raise awareness about asbestos-related diseases and promote safer practices in workplaces and industries.